Hi, I am now in HDB Hub, MyNiceHome, Showflat, Sales Gallery. I'm going to show you the community care apartment, 36 square meter, the community care apartment. Okay, I'm now in the MyNiceHome Gallery community care department. This is a toilet. It looks nice. The lighting. Yeah, this is the toilet lighting. There's a handrail, a sliding door. Toilet's okay. Then this is the bedroom. Bedroom. I don't like the deco design. Yeah, plants on the wall. I don't really like it. The It's able to fit a queen size bed. Okay. A small cabinet at the side. And now I am at the living room. Table, TV, a small cabinet. Okay, the wallpaper design, don't really like it. The kitchen, the small little kitchen. Let's take a look. Okay, I think it's sufficient for one person with full height cabinet. This one is actually additional. I think you need to pay additional cost for it. The kitchen, and then yeah, the clothes hanger and the washing machine inside. A very small area for hanging your clothes, I find. Yeah, small little table with a sliding door for your bedroom and to your living room. And yeah, this is your yeah, circuit breakers, your electrical points, control station area. And below it, there's actually some blocks area. You can actually put shoe shelves. I was thinking you can actually put some shelf space, this and that. And this one, all this interior design is done by other parties. It's not included. This is just some ideas to get the deco of this space. And the door. Let's see the bomb shelter. Small little bomb shelter. Okay. Going in and see how is it like. It's pretty small. Oh, there's some PowerPoint areas inside the bomb shelter. Okay, then this is the toilet. Yeah. So bomb shelter is facing the toilet, and there's a foldable uh, chair for the seniors to sit. Just how I saw it. And this is the floor type, showing you vinyl flooring. Okay, vinyl wood floor, vinyl flooring. It looks like wood. Okay, if you like it, subscribe and like my video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.